Hello everyone, my name is Housseynou Niang. I am a PhD student in CSE, Centre de Suivi Écologique in Senegal. Today I'm happy to share my work on surface temperature analysis in agroforestry system using thermal drone and artificial intelligence, for example, deep learning. In the first time, it is important to understand that solar radiation and infrared radiation interact with your land surface. These radiations are absorbed and emitted differently depending on the surface, such as vegetation, soil seed, or soil exposed for the full sun. In these studies, we aim to compare the different surfaces in an agroforestry system dominated by Faidherbia albida. We're using a thermal drone to collect very high resolution images and artificial intelligence, for example, deep learning model to segment the different surface, tree canopy, soil set, and soil exposed for the full sun. After training, the model is able to detect this area and estimate the corresponding temperature. The result shows that throughout the year, canopy and soil set area maintain moderating temperature, generally between 22 and 35 degrees Celsius, mainly due to leaf evapotranspiration for the tree. In contrast, soil exposed for the full sun reach much higher temperature, creating a strong thermal difference. During the rainy season, even when the tree Faidherbia albida have fewer or no leaf, we observe a residual shedding effect. This benefits mealy crop to locate under and near the tree Faidherbia albida by reducing temperature variation. We also analyze the nocturnal cycle. In the early morning, temperature are relatively homogeneous. However, from midday, clear difference appear between the surface. At nighttime, the soil cools down quickly while the temperature reaching high, especially during the drying season. This highlights is important role of tree in thermal regulation. In conclusion, this study shows that trees play a key role in regulating the microclimate and protecting crops. The combination of thermal drone and artificial intelligence, for example, deep learning, provide a powerful way to analyze this processing at the Faidherbia albida level. Thank you for your attention.